Hello everyone, this is Rohit Khemchandani and welcome to Stratigem. So today we are diving into a critical career evolution, the journey from manager to executive. This transition is not just a promotion, it is a transformation of mindset, skills and strategic perspective. And in today's world, this journey is being reshaped by AI powered business and management consulting. So, if you are a manager aspiring to become an executive or a leader, mentoring to the next generation, this session will help you understand the strategic shift which is required and how AI is accelerating and reshaping this progression. So, in the part one, we will focus on the core difference between managers and executives. So, starting with the managers, so managers ensure that things get done. They focus on execution, efficiency, and team level outcomes. Executives, on the other hand, set the direction. They define vision, allocate resources, and shape culture. The shift from managing tasks to orchestrating enterprise wide strategy is profound. So, think of it as moving from operational excellence to strategic impact. For managers, success is measured in productivity, deadlines, and performance metrics. For executives, success is measured in market share, long term growth, and organizational resilience. AI is making this divide sharper. A manager may use AI to automate reporting or optimize workflows. An executive leverages AI to predict market trends, design new business models, and steer the enterprise into future. So the key takeaway is that moving to executive leadership means shifting from doing things right to deciding what the right things are. Now we'll discuss about the mindset shift. So the most important transformation is mindset. Here are the three shifts. First is from operational to strategic thinking. So this is that stop asking how do we meet this quarter's target. So one should start asking that what will define our industry 5 years from now. The second shift is from team focus to enterprise perspective. So move from maximizing your department's performance to balancing the trade-offs of the entire organization. Third is from problem solver to opportunity creator. So managers solve today's issues, but executives create tomorrow's opportunities. AI consulting tools now help leaders model enterprise entire industries, simulate different strategies and stress test decisions against economic, geopolitical and technological scenarios. This accelerates the shift in perspective. The third is skills needed for executive role. So first is strategic foresight. So anticipating disruptions. AI powered market intelligence platforms enable scenario planning and predictive analytics. The second skill is decision making with incomplete data. So executives rarely have full certainty. They must learn to balance intuition and AI driven insights. Third is financial acumen. So beyond budgets, executives must understand capital allocation, mergers and acquisition strategies, and shareholder value. Fourth is cross functional leadership, managing across silos. So, AI can reveal hidden interdependencies between departments. And lastly, communication and scale. So, executives communicate vision to thousands, not just a small team. The modern executives must be AI literate. This doesn't mean coding algorithms, but knowing how to interpret AI outputs, question assumptions, and make informed decisions. Now we'll move on to the role of AI in transition. So traditionally, managers learned strategy through experience, mentorship, and trial and error. But today, AI shortens this curve. So first is AI powered dashboards. So executives can see real time performance across global markets. Second is predictive analytics. which helps to identify which businesses units are most likely to grow or fail. Scenario simulations, testing decisions in virtual environments before executing in reality. And lastly, AI in consulting. So firms like McKinsey, BCG, and Deloitte now use AI to model transformations at scale, enabling executives to see the impact of their choices faster. So by mastering these tools, managers accelerate their readiness for executive level responsibilities. Now we'll see strategic priorities for new executives. So once you move into the executive role, your priorities shift. Here are five. So first is vision and strategy. Set a compelling long-term direction. Second is culture and leadership. Shape the values of and behaviors of the entire organization. Third is innovation and growth. Identify new markets, products, and models. Then risk management. Anticipate risks, cybersecurity, compliance, supply chains, etc. And lastly, the strategy is stakeholder alignment. So balance stakeholders, employees, regulators, and society. So AI helps here too. For example, AI-powered risk engines can detect vulnerabilities in supply chains or compliance gaps before they escalate. Now we'll see a case study on AI in executive decision making. So let's consider a company. So as a manager, your role might focus on delivery efficiency. As an executive, you would be shaping the company's expansion into AI-powered logistics, cloud computing, or even healthcare. So executives in the company rely heavily on AI for customer demand forecasting, price optimization, and evaluating the billion-dollar investments. So this illustrates the leap. The manager optimizes within a function, but the executive redefines the scope of the business itself. Now we'll talk about the action plan for aspiring executives. So how do you prepare? So first, build AI literacy. Take courses on AI in strategy and business. Second, seek cross-functional exposure. Volunteer for projects outside your domain. Third is develop executive presence. Learn how to communicate vision clearly. Fourth is mentorship. Learn from the leaders. And lastly, think like a consultant with AI strategies. So now to close, so to summarize, the shift from manager to executive is a transformation of mindset, skills, and strategic perspective. In the AI powered era, this journey is faster, more data driven, and more impactful than ever before. So, your challenge is not just to manage better, but to lead differently. And that's how you will step into the executive future. So, thank you for joining in. And here's to your journey from manager to executive. Thank you. And if you like this video, please drop your um, suggestions and comments in the chat box and comment box. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.